What does E of x given y mean? I'll demonstrate with an example. Suppose x and y are random variables. X can be 2 or 3, y can be 1 or 5. The probabilities of the 4 outcomes are listed here. Now, given that information, we can calculate things like the expected value of x. The probability that x equals 2 is the sum of the ways that x can be 2. 0.4 plus 0.1 is 0.5, and so on. And the expected value is the sum of x times probability of x. Plugging in the numbers, we get E of x is 2.5. But now, suppose that we know that y equals 1. In that case, we rescale the probabilities and recompute specifically that E of x is 8/3, assuming that y equals 1. Likewise, if y equals 5, then the probabilities that x equals 2 and 3 are again rescaled. So the expected value of x, given that y equals 5, comes out to be 11/4 or 2.75. Now, given that, we know the expected value of x given y equals 1 and the expected value of x given y equals 5 are two different numbers. So the expected value of x given y depends on the random variable y. It is itself a function. Since y is a random variable, so is E of x given y, which means we can calculate the expected value of it. As always, expected value of something is the sum of the values times their probabilities. When we do this, we find out that it equals 2.5, which is E of x. This is not a coincidence. E of x given y equals E of x. Here's the symbolic proof, but I find a number example is useful for learning the concept.